Good morning, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again on the 7th of June, 2021. And wouldn't you know it, Tezos is up 15% today, 16% in the last 7 days as we continue our recovery from the crypto crash of 2021 in May. Let's get right to it. Let's just dig down and see what's going on with Tezos and talk about where we think it might go. So if we take a look at this chart, we can see what has happened ever since 2018. And we can see Tezos has been as high as 10, I believe it was higher than that. Let's see there. You can see how it got above $10. You can see that. Let's zoom in there. There we go. Let's take a look at that. Right there. Look at that. $10.56. It's the highest it's ever been, right? So when we look at this and see now that we're at $4, in this last cycle, we got as high as, I believe, about $5-6. Look at this. Let's just take a look at that. Okay, I'm going to go and look at the last 3 months. Let's look at the last 3 months and see what has transpired. You can see here that Tezos on May the 6th got way up there. Okay, we're up there talking about $7.50, $7.65. We're knocking at the door. Okay, $7.78 and even higher. Okay, so Tezos sitting at $4 now, okay, is really in an interesting position because it's time to start talking about, can we return to knocking at the door? Can we return to $8 Tezos? Can we return to those 2018 levels that we saw? And my answer to that question is, I expect now that this flash crash is about to pass and people are going to resume investing based on what the capabilities are. And let's just do a little review of what Tezos is all about. I love going and digging into these white papers just so we understand. Okay, look, I go right here to the developer portal so people can see, because the key to adoption is going to be whether the developers can use this technology to build the next great set of applications built on the new technology, right? So look at this. They are now putting out all the information you need to learn how to build smart contracts using Tezos, okay? They're not hiding it. It's front and center. It's easy to find. Look at this. They got a Hello World application here. Deploy and interact with a digital asset, a token. Get started with T Plus to manage Tezos environments. Run Tezos in the sandbox. Try SmartPy in the browser. Learn the basics of SmartPy. Try Liga. They've got everything here for you to learn how to write applications with Tezos. Look at this, smart contract. Write smart contracts in your choice of syntax. Okay? Code will compile in Michelson, the smart contract language for the Tezos blockchain. So you can write in any one of these languages here. Python, Pascal, OCaml, ReasonML, Haskell, okay? Languages, Tezos, contracts, Michelson. Okay, look at all those. You've got all these options to pick from, okay? Use a library. Look at all these different libraries that are already sitting there for you to explore, okay? You know what I'm going to go to. I'm going to go right here to this JavaScript one, okay? You are now leaving the Tezos.com. This link is being provided as a convenience and for informational purposes. Okay, let's go. I want to see this. All right. So what am I looking at here? This JavaScript library is going to be. Let's look at the documentation and see what it says. Okay. So Tez is an isomorphic JavaScript library that can be used seamlessly across the server and client environments. Okay, so we got a JavaScript library here that basically has access to the Tezos blockchain. Okay, this is the kind of thing that you see over on the Ethereum side of the house. Okay, that's a big deal. Providing developers the ability to go and start building applications is key to the proliferation of new solutions using that technology. And when people start using that technology, inevitably the coins that sit on top of that blockchain are going to start getting more and more utilized. Okay? The simpler it is for people to adopt and use, the more likely that blockchain is going to thrive, and the more likely the coins associated with that blockchain are going to go up in value. So let's just get back over here. We did a little technical work. What do you believe the valuation of Ethereum is? It has the smart contracts. It has all of this. Look, when we look at Tezos right now, it has a market cap of $2,180,857,226. Whereas when we go over here to Ethereum with smart contracts, it's sitting at 326 billion. Do you see where I'm going with this? A modular language with smart contract capability that is totally exposed for developers to take advantage of. It has only a $2 billion market cap. There's a lot of room for growth, and I've said this before. I believe Tezos could possibly go to twice what it was in 2018. So let's take a look at that again. Tezos could actually go. Let's go look at it again. Tezos. Okay. Tezos could actually go to twice what it was in 2018. These levels where we saw it almost at $11. I believe $20 Tezos is possible. Now, is that going to happen in 2021? It could. It could happen. Okay? Simply because of the capability that sits with that blockchain. We cannot underestimate what a useful capability could render in the future. So for those people who have invested in Tezos and are enjoying the comeback, congratulations on your investment. Of course, this is not investment advice, but the research is showing that this flash crash was nothing more than that. And now we can focus on what the capabilities that are being offered are going to give our future developers, and ultimately how that is going to impact the value of those coins associated with those blockchains. So if you've enjoyed this video, please throw up the likes and the shares. And if you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Enjoy the links in the description, and I'll catch you on the next one.